What is up, gentlemen? Today, I'm going to share a powerful tip for approaching girls in public. And look, this works in any conversation with women, but I like using it in public approaches because when you're talking to a stranger, the situation is usually more delicate. There's zero rapport. The girl doesn't trust you and she might not be immediately attracted to you. So for me, priority number one was always bringing down the defenses. That way I could get to flirting. And the best way to bring down the defenses was to come across as genuine and authentic. And really, this technique is something I naturally started doing in conversation with women. It wasn't even intentional, but it works incredibly well. And when I first started coaching, it was one of the things that I identified in my game and started to share with other men, and they all got great results too. I call this technique the wow compliment. And before I explain it, I want to first say thank you to all of you that have subscribed. This is a new channel. It's only a few months old and we're already up to like 500 subs or almost. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Now, what is a wow compliment? I'm going to do my best to explain it. It might take a couple of examples before it makes sense, so stick with me. A wow compliment is when you deliver a compliment mid-conversation at a moment that's like unexpected. It should feel as if you just realized something about this woman and it surprised you. If you use the right delivery, it will seem to the woman as if the thought of this compliment just came to you in the moment and you were like so taken aback that you just had to say something. And women love that because it feels authentic. So it should go something like this. You approach and you open and you ask her what she's up to tonight, same old yada yada. And then as she's like finishing a sentence, you stop and go, wow, you have a great smile, with like a surprised look on your face. But here's the thing, you have to stick and move. You cannot linger on the compliment. You need to immediately steer the conversation back to where it was going. So usually it'll play out like this. Wow, you have a great smile. And she'll be like, oh, thank you. And you're gonna be like, yeah, you're welcome. So anyway, you were saying you're from Denver? Now again, the impact here is that the woman feels as if you were overwhelmed by her smile or her eyes or her hair, whatever. And you were so overwhelmed that you had to say something versus just hitting her with a generic compliment right when you open. So a lot of dating coaches, they open with like the same line. They say, hey, I thought you were cute and I wanted to come say hi. And that will work with women that are at or below your level of attractiveness. But the thing about telling her you think she's cute right during the opening is that it removes the option for like a better, higher impact compliment because, well, you can't just be complimenting girls all the way through the conversation, otherwise you come off as easy. Instead, I prefer to say, hey, I saw you over there, I wanted to come say hi, how's your night going? Boom, boom, bam, bam, wow, you have a great smile. And then play around with the timing. Like sometimes I'll say, wow, and then I'll wait for her to ask what, and then I'll drop the compliment. Again, just make sure you stick and move, don't linger, and remember, your expression and tone should communicate to this girl that all of this came to you in the moment. Like my delivery is almost as if I'm startled that I even said something. Like her smile was so great that I said something out of turn, and now I can't even believe that I said that out loud. And what it does is it makes her think that you're cute, which in my experience is way better than being like sexy or hot. Women want to present themselves as being sexy, but as a guy, I wanted to be cute, man. Like cute guys are flirty and fun and they're safe. And making the woman feel safe is everything. Now fellas, don't leave me hanging. If this was helpful, please drop a like, subscribe, and comment with any questions. Look, sometimes these techniques are easier to like explain in conversation or in person. So let me know if anything was unclear and I will do my best to clarify in the comments. Gentlemen, my name is KJ Harlow. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.